Welcome to another Lee and Deneen production. Hey buddy, we're gonna go to the hike. The valley. Alright, end recording for now. You're gonna see an epic depth, everyone. So we are at the valley. We're about to cross the steps. It's a very nice area. Now let's cross now. Okay, we made it through the stairway. And now we're walking through this forest.
I need
Do this. D'Angelo.
What?
D'Angelo.
Where?
Gonna be him.
Mr. Graceheart.
That's gonna be a good Millwood video. I mean, an Angelo video, where we're running in the forest. Get out of back here. Okay. Whoa. Sticks.
Oh, underwater stuff. That's good.
Yeah. Oh. Sweat.
It's fine. That means you're cooling down. Is this the place where we want to go?
Oh yeah, we're almost there. But don't spoil it. Don't spoil the movie. Yeah, well not, no, they actually haven't. I never ever published it. They're not gonna understand what we're talking about, so they're not gonna understand what we're talking about.
Hello, Mr. Caterpillar.
Ugh.
Oh yeah, that sounds disgusting.
Why caterpillar?
What?
That smells. Oh, Jesus. No crap. It was right into a crap factory. Oh, jeez. I use a Gatorade. What? I know. I love that. It's not bad. Okay, it's bad, but it's good. It's so bad, it's good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. End the recording now. Actually, I'll keep my journey alive. Well, we don't go this way. We go that way. Oh. God. What the hell? You're actually climbing there. Don't climb there. Owen.
What? Are you filming me?
Okay, I'll end it. Bye. Shit. Watch out. Look behind you. Make sure you don't fall. Ugh. Fuck.
I suggest put the camera away.
Yeah. Okay. We gotta climb more stuff. Good. Mosquitoes everywhere. I love hiking. I love it. But I feel like hiking today. Or whatever. I'm not talking to you.
Sorry.
I feel like hiking. Or whatever. It's on video.
Oh, I've never. Oh wait, no, I'm in here.
Yeah,
You've been here.
Hair is full of sweat. It smells like crap. Oh. Smell-o-vision.
Yeah, I wish. So the viewers could smell.
I wish we could have smell-o-vision on our channel. It smells like shit.
Oh.
Oh, we can zoom in on the factory.
Uh,
The shit factory. They're responsible for this. You can barely see them, but it's a shit factory right there.
The S word. Just say the poop.
They're responsible.
Just say.
Who's responsible
Just
for
say the
this
poop.
shit?
Just say the poop. Processing.
Yeah, no, it's a poop processing place. Waterworks.
C7.
Waterworks. Oh, I can zoom in on the cars. Oh, a big not dump truck, sand, what is it called? Cement truck.
It's very
Okay, let's go. Let's carry on. Okay, we can do this at home, Owen. We can do this at home.
Do what?
I'm going anyway. Suit yourself.
Gone this far, Leon.
What?
I don't think we've gone this far.
I've been this far.
Uncharted territory. I'm making a trail.
I've been this far. I've been here everywhere. I went here by myself once. 2 times. Another way. I've been here by myself, you know. It's on my. I have it on video too. Sadly, my tablet broke. I can't film anymore. I can get a new one. Okay, let's go. Please. 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 I'm not talking about going home. I want to carry on. I don't want to sit here, sweat the fucking all day. Oh, I don't want to. I know the way, Owen. Oh. I don't even feel like hiking it, whatever. Okay. We'll do it anyways. I know it's fun. It's not that fun today. I wish we could go to movies.
Oh, that's unsafe.
What's unsafe?
The tree.
I almost fell down
What?
on the rock.
Oh crap, that would. Oh, especially if you went down there.
Here we go.
Come on, keep going.
We're doomed if we keep on thinking about it.
Yeah, we're being trapped.
If we just stay here, we're gonna die.
Oh.
Let's go to the shit factory. No. I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
What?
This is
What?
red thing I saw.
Web?
Red.
Oh, no. No, you're gonna get lost. I know where we are. It's just like we